Wow, your garden looks amazing.
Thank you. I grow my own vegetables here.
Really, everything looks so fresh.
Yes, fresh and healthy, straight from the garden.
What are you picking today?
Spinach, tomatoes, and green chilies.
They look so fresh and colorful.
Yes, fresh vegetables make food tasty.
Is gardening hard?
Not at all. It's fun. I talk to my plants every day.
You talk to plants?
Yes, plants are my friends.
Are you going to cook now?
Yes, I'll make vegetable curry today.
From garden to kitchen. Wow.
Yes, fresh vegetables make everything yummy.
Do you enjoy cooking?
Yes, cooking is fun, especially with fresh garden vegetables.
I want to cook too.
Great! Fresh food is healthy and tasty.
The food smells amazing.
Thank you. Let's eat together.
It tastes so fresh.
Yes, homegrown vegetables make every dish special.
Gardening is a wonderful habit.
Yes, it makes us healthy and happy.
I want to start gardening too.
Wonderful. Let's grow food and happiness together.